Want to know a simple one-liner that instantly makes people feel drawn to you? Most people miss this, but once you use it, you'll notice way more engagement, better conversations, and even attraction. Stick around. This is a game changer. Here's what most people do when they meet someone new. They ask boring questions. So what do? They give surface-level responses. Oh, cool, nice. They don't create a memorable moment. And that's why so many conversations go nowhere. Instead of asking the same old stuff, say this instead. That's interesting. Tell me more about that. Or wait, I love that. Explain it to me like I'm 5. Why does this work? Because it shows you're genuinely engaged, and people love talking about what excites them. This makes them feel heard, important, and connected to you. Try this today and watch how people light up when they talk to you. Comment below. What's your go-to question when meeting someone new? Let's swap social hacks.